Are we living in fast forward if all our time is limited? You take for granted, I'm just grateful to be given it. Live fast, die young with your cynic kid. Till this life is done, I'll just be happy to be living it. I mean, I take it slow so we can soak it in, cause when I reach that door I know we'll be opening. Then we going in, confidence my only friend. If you think I'm rushing, then you really just don't know me then. Speaking of rushing, now I wanna slow it down. I live up in the moment, so emboldened by the sound of people talking nothing. I'm walking, they pass me running, stay chilling, looking for something I can use to kill discussion. Talking about this and them, gossip never listening. My life is a melody, I block out all the dissonance. Cause money's certain to equal time, so when life is going fast, a vertical equal sign. Pause.
If I could slow down time, this life won't pass me by. If I could click rewind, I know I'd be just fine. My love, please believe me.
One time, yeah. She keep me coming, she keep me coming. Back to these beats, ooh, she give me loving. We can break the rules, let's get into something. If the water's deep, use your feet and jump in. Jump in. Jump in. If you ain't afraid, then you ain't chasing nothing. Life is sink or swim, so jump in. My wife is lovely, thank God, my muse, she love me. Music is my baby, ooh, she drive me crazy. I need her on the daily like biscuits need gravy. But sometimes I need to unplug and jump on a plane to Haiti. The rhythm play me, so I play it back. She takes me all over the map, soaking in where I'm at. Coconuts and rum, soaking up the sun. Coasting in the Jeep, follow the ocean to my love. Me and my too high crew, past long nights and hard days. When you ain't chasing fame, it's a different ball game. I just wanna play shows and make music, travel the globe and write the soundtrack to it. I think I just woke up from a drink. I think I just woke up from a drink. I think I just woke up from a drink. It was you and me when nobody else believed in me.
I took you all around the world. I took you all around the world with me. Girl, I took you all around the world.
Married to my dreams, making music till they bury me. Rolling in the sheets, she told me to go to sleep. I said, hold up, I'm rolling one up and floating out to sea. She said, oh no, you don't just leave me like that. I said, you're right, cause everywhere I go, my city's on my back. Write some raps, get some plaques, then it's back to the travel light. Was gone for a year, and I'ma leave in another 5. I'll never retire, I simply live on the road. Cause when you love what you do, you never grow old. She gave me head, and then I hope. Now we spread our babies everywhere we go. Thinking bigger picture brought me round the world with music. My peers may be clueless, but these rappers can be stupid, stupid, stupid. I just might go make a million, give 100K away. I'm the type to feed the children, then get ignorant on the stage. Women love me and I love them back, but not as much as rap. Married to the music, no wonder I'm fucking back. Till I think I just woke up from a drink. I think I just woke up from a drink. I think I just woke up from a drink. It was you and me when nobody else believed in me.
I took you all around the world. I took you all around the world with me. Girl, I took you all around the world.
Married to my dreams, making music till they bury me. Jump in. Jump in. Jump in. If you ain't afraid, then you ain't chasing nothing. Life is sink or swim, so jump in.